Number of units actual produce is 1250, 1625 units we have produced. 2 hours we require. What is the standard time and earning per hour under wholesale plan and row 1 plan? Row 1. In this, standard time allowed for the job is 30 hours. Hourly rate is 25. As per this, under wholesale plan, now what is the formula for wholesale plan? Under this, we have time taken into hourly rate. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So, the 14th session of your topic called your labor. Now, under Unit 4, we are in session 14. Now, almost is the last session for your labor topic because you already learned what is labor. Now, so in this, we will solve 3 problems out of 3. 2 already the answers are there. Just I'll explain you. The third problem together, you also have to sit with me and you have to solve this problem. The agenda is very simple. We will understand the concept as well as we will work out problems. Now problem number 6. Out of this, from the following information, calculate the total earning and earning per hour under wholesale plan and row 1 plan. We are supposed to calculate under wholesale as well as row 1. In this, standard time allowed for the job is 30 hours. Hourly rate is 25. As per this, name of the workers, we have A and we have B also. In this, time taken 30 hours. For B, it is 25 hours. Now, before this, we'll go for what is the standard time given for them. The standard time was given, it is 30 hours. Along with that, what is the rate per hour? It is 25. Standard time is 30 and rate per hour is 25. Now, these are the informations we have for our calculation. Now, solution. First one is your wholesale plan. Now, under wholesale plan, now what is the formula for wholesale plan? Under this, we have time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Again, I'll repeat, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Now, we have to consider half. Time saved into hourly rate, we have to consider half of that. Now, time taken is 30. For the first person, if we go, time taken is how much? 30. What is the hourly rate? It is 25. So, whatever these are called as working note, as I told you in this working note, time taken 30 hours for A and time taken 30 hours for B. It is not 30 actually. So, time taken by B, it is 25. So, how much it is? 25. Next, hourly rate is how much? Hourly rate also 25. Standard time, we call it as 30 hours. How come it is 30 hours? In the question paper, they have given the standard time is 30 hours. Now, as per this, your time saved is standard time minus time taken. What is your standard time? 30. What is time taken by first person? 30. 30 minus 30, your time saved is 0 for first person. Now, for the second person, standard time is 30 and time taken is 25. The hours will be, it is 5 hours. Hope you understood. Now, so what is the hours here? 5 hours we call it as for B. It is a hourly rate. Now, these are the calculations we have done. Now, we'll go for your answer. Time taken 30, hourly rate is 25. Similarly, time saved is 0. As we calculated, it is 0. And your hourly rate is 25. Now, 750 plus 0, the final answer will be how much? 750. You can go for this answer, or else you can go for this also. In your examination, this is better. If you want, you can even go for this. What is this? I'll show you. Time saved by the worker A is nil. As per this problem, time saved by A is how much? Nil, 0. So, he is paid guaranteed time wages, which is assured under wholesale plan. Under wholesale plan, time taken into hourly rate, 100% he will get. But for time saved, he will not get anything. Now, total earning is equal to, now as per this, time taken into hourly rate. Time taken into hourly rate. As per this, 30 into 25, it is 750. As I told you, you can go for this also. You can go for this also. Anything is okay. Remember, whatever write in the right side, it is always working out. In your examination, the answers are in the left side. Now, so this is done. We'll go for total earning and time saved, and we are doing for the second person who is called B. Now, time taken is 25, hourly rate is 25. The time saved, half of this. So what is the time saved? I'll go back. 30 minus 25, the time saved is 5 hours. Now, as per this, 5 hours into 25, you will get 125. Now, 625 and half of this means it will come 62.5. What is the final answer? 687.5. Hope you understood. This is all about your wholesale plan. Now, we'll go for your row 1 plan. Under row 1 plan, we have total earning, time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. Under this, time saved divided by standard time. Time saved divided by standard time. In this, A is equal to 30 multiplied with 25, 30 multiplied with 25. Now, what is the time saved? For the first person, time saved is 0. Now, 0 by 30, 750 plus 0, it is 750 for the first person in case of row 1. Remember, if the time saved is 0, it is always, even though it is a wholesale plan or even though it is a row 1 plan, the answer will be same. Answer will not differ. In case the standard time is 30, actual time is 30 in this problem. So what is the time saved? It is 0. Now, the same situation, small changes. What is that? Like, standard time is 30. Actual time taken is 34. What is the time saved? In this also, time saved is 0. Remember, if your time taken is more than your actual or more than your standard, your answer always, it will be time saved 0. Now, so these are the informations we have. We'll go for the adjustment. In this, time saved by worker A is nil. So he is paid guaranteed time. This is, again I told you, no, you can go for this, or else you have one more option also. That is the option. This is not required. Leave that. Now, what is the total earning under row 1 plan? So whatever we are doing now, this is row 1 plan. This is all about your option or alternative. Now, under row 1 plan, what is the formula? Now, time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. Along with that, time saved divided by standard time. In this, B is equal to 25 multiplied into 25. Again, 25 multiplied with 25. Now, 5 by 30 is what? Time saved is 5 and your standard time is 30. Now, if you go for this calculation, this will be 625. This will be your 104.17. If you go for this calculation, what will be your answer? This will be 625. This will be 104.17. What is the final answer? If you add both, you will get 729. Clear? Yes. 729 is your final answer. This is for whom? B. And for A. A is how much? A is already calculated. It is 750. So we're done with your problem number 6. Hope you understood. Later I'll come back and I'll give you time for screenshot. Now, problem number 7. Now, under this, calculate wage of worker under Halsey as well as row 1 plan. In this, what happens? Your standard time per unit 2 hours. Per unit, how many hours you are taking? 2 hours. If these kind of informations given means standard time is not mentioned. Remember, if these informations are given means standard time not given. We are supposed to calculate. Remember, standard time is not given. We are supposed to find out. Now, each unit, for 1 unit 2 hours. For 1 unit we need 2 hours. Now, these are the standard time. Number of units actually produce how much? Like 625 units they have produced. 2 hours means how much it will be? 1250 is your standard time. Easy to calculate. Now, so in 2 hours you can produce or you can manufacture 1 unit. So how long do you take to produce 625 multiplied with 2? So how much it is? 1250. Similarly, actual time taken is how much? 1000. What is the time saved? 250. This is a time taken. This is a time saved. Hope you understood. Like this you are supposed to calculate. Now, this is done. Your hourly rate of wages is 5 rupees. That is common. You can calculate. Hope you understood. Now, so your problem number 7 is all about this. Next, your solution for this Halsey plan. Now, under Halsey plan, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Before we go into the problem, we will go for your working note. Now, time taken 1000 hours. Hourly rate is 5. Here actual production is given. Standard time is equal to standard time for actual production. So I'll go for calculation. Then I'll come back for this answer. What is your calculation? 625 units we have produced. 2 hours we require. What is the standard time? 1250. We already calculated there. So standard time minus time taken, you will get 250 as time saved. See, these are the proper way of presentation. Just I wrote that to make you to understand. This is a proper way of showing how come you got the time saved 250. Now, I'll go back. Now, time taken 1000, hourly rate is 5. Time saved 250, hourly rate is 5. Now, 5000, half of this 625, your final answer is 5625. Any doubt? No doubt. Similarly, we'll go for row 1 plan. Under row 1 plan, time taken 1000, hourly rate is 5. Time taken 1000, hourly rate is 5. In this, what is the time saved? 250. What is the standard time? 1250. Now, this will be 5000. This will be, if you do all the calculation, you will get 1000. 5 plus 1, how much? Your final answer is 6000. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, so these are the calculations we have. We're done with this calculation. Now, we'll move for your last problem, problem number 8. As I told you, the 2 problems answers are already there. Just I'll explain you. But the third one for the day, adults problem number 8, we are supposed to solve. Now, not only me, you are also supposed to solve along with me. Now, hurry up, take a book and pen. Along with me, you are supposed to solve. Whatever we did, that just now, whatever problem we have solved, the same kind of problem we are solving. Before solving this, I'll go back to your problem number 6 and problem number 7. Take screenshot. Again, I'll come back to your problem number 8. So this is your problem number 6. Solution part of problem number 6. The second part of your solution. The third part of your solution. And the next part of your solution. This is your problem number 7. Your solution for problem number 7 along with working note. The next part of your solution along with working note. Yes. Now we are into problem number 8. Now, how to calculate this? Now, standard time is 4 hours per unit. So, if you want to produce 1 unit, you need 4 hours. Now, number of units actual produce is 1250. Actual time taken is 4000 hours. Hourly rate of wages is 10 hours. These are the informations they have given for your problem. Now, as per this, what happens? Standard time is 4 hours per unit. Now, how many units you have produced? 1250. 1250 units you have produced. Multiplied with 4, you will get around 5000. This is what? This is your standard time. What is this? This is your standard time. Now, so what is your actual time taken? Actual time or time taken is 4000. What is the time saved? It is 1000. So this is all about your calculation. Now, how to find out your time saved? Your standard time minus time taken, you will get your time saved. How come you to find out the standard time? Like you have produced 1250. Normally what happens? Each unit needs 4 hours. How many units you have produced? As per the company standard, 4 hours required for each unit. You have produced 1250. 1250 into 4, it will be 5000. Out of 5, 4000 it is a actual time taken. Even though you have time till 5000 hours, but you have consumed or completed in only 4000 hours. Still, you have saved 1000 hours. Hope you are clear. Now, this is done. Now, your hourly rate of wages is 10. I'll go for the answer. Now, before we go to your answer, I'll go to your working note. Time taken 4000 hours. Hourly rate, it is 10 rupee. Actual production is given. So these are the formula to calculate your standard or time saved. What is your time saved? Time saved is 1000 hours. Now 1000 hours. Time saved, we call it as 1000 hours. Now, as per this, I'll go for your wholesale plan. Now, under wholesale plan, what is the time taken? 4000. What is the hourly rate? 10. Half. Time saved, it is 1000. Hourly rate is how much? 10. Calculate 4000 into 10, it will be 40,000 plus half. 1000 into 10, it will be 10,000. Now, calculate. Now, 40,000 will remain as it is plus half of 10,000 will be 5,000. Your final answer will be 45,000. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. So this is all about your calculation. So your answer is how much? 45,000. Now I am done with this. Your answer I got around 45. Now, so this is your wholesale plan for this calculation. The same thing will go for your row 1 plan. Now, time taken 4000. Hourly rate is 10. It is over. Next. Plus Time saved, it is 1000. Standard time, how much standard time? I'll go back to your question. Your standard time as per our calculation, it is 5000. So it is 5000. Time taken 4000. Hourly rate, it is 10,000. Any doubt? No. Now 4000 into 10, this will be 40,000. So 1000 divided by 5000, along with this we are supposed to calculate. Now, so 4000 into 10, how much? 40,000. So 1000 divided by 5000. Simplify this. Now, this will be 40,000 as it is, plus if you simplify this, it comes around 8,000. 5881. So it is 8,000. Your final answer is 48,000. Any doubt? Hopefully there is no doubt. Your final answer we got around 48,000. So this is all about your row 1 plan. Again I'll cross check this. So 40,000 into 1000 by 5. Yes, it is. So this will be 1000 divided by 5000 multiplied with 40,000. Yes, it is 8,000. Now final answer 48,000. So this is all about your row 1 plan of your labor topic. Now I'll go back to this question with solution so that you can take screenshot. Your problem number 8, the solution part, the second part of your solution. So this is all about your topic called labor. If possible, we'll have one more session, or else we'll wind up with this particular topic and we'll go for next topic. Thank you.